welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clarissa Camelo. Let's take a look at the top stories for today. The TMC has demanded that the Goa governor immediately seek the resignation of Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant after former Goa governor and present Meghalaya governor Satyapal Malik made explosive allegations of corruption against the Goa government. They demanded that the governor bring out of white paper on the purchases and expenditures during COVID pandemic and demanded a judicial investigation into corruption by retired High Court or Supreme Court judge. TMC also demanded a CBI inquiry into the suspect death of Nationala teenager Siddhi Naik after police botched up the investigation.
की जेन्ना आदल्या गव्हर्नरान कंप्लेन केली, we are yet to see the complaint. We will ask it under Right to Information Act to the Prime Minister, which is supposed to go to President. आचेर तेणी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करपा जाय आसलें आनी ताबडतोब ह्या गव्हर्मेंटाचेर एक्शन घेवपा जाय आसलें. तेमी गेल ना. देखून आयज आमी जेन्ना गव्हर्नरा मुखार गेले आनी ताका सांगिल्लें की this is a constitutional issue. He is the custodian of the Constitution. So we demand immediately a white paper regarding purchases, regarding the expenditure during COVID-19. Because there is a serious charge made by the highest constitutional authority and it just cannot be taken lightly. So the governor gele, you are there as a custodian of the Constitution. And तुम्ही ताबडतोब एज चीफ मिनिस्टरान रेजिग्नेशन घेवचें म्हूण एज पर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आनी तिसरें आमी मागलां की ताबडतोब ज्युडिशियल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावचें led by a retired High Court or Supreme Court judge. So these are the three demands we have put before the governor and we have given also a memorandum.
But these 2 points, further inquiry into Siddhi Naik case and inquiry into allegations of corruption made by Satyapal Malik yesterday and which was shown on some TV channels, this should be further investigated.
The allegations by Satyapal Malik is not, His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya now, is not a generic statement that there was corruption in Goa. He has made specific allegations about COVID, procurement, about how the COVID funds were handled, how they were distributed, about the distribution of the, food grains and stuff, how one particular company was given the oxygen, the contract for oxygen, and their delay caused about 3,000 lives in Goa. So in terms of making of roads and all construction and all of that, he has made some very specific allegations. So a white paper needs to come out from the chief minister, and on moral grounds he should resign. That's what we made mention in the memorandum 1. And in Siddhi Naik's case, I think you have got a detailed account from sir. We just want the father's wishes to have a closure in the case as to why these anomalies exist and why is the police not cooperating with them and what is the biggest harm in getting an investigation done.
Since governor is the custodian of the Constitution and supposed to look also law and order of the state, there must be a action to restore law and order in Goa. Goa has become a crime destination, unfortunately. So first, restore law and order. Secondly, as parents are suspecting a foul play and murder, it is the parents who are demanding. And since parents are demanding, we have given the representation. As parents are suspecting a foul play and murder, the case should be re-investigated once again. And the parents has demanded that the case should be re-investigated and handed over to the CBI. This is their demand. And fourth demand, the parents has said action should be taken against the police officials and other investigation agencies who have botched up the investigation.
Taking the opportunity to put the Pramod Sawant government on the mat, Aam Aadmi Party members held protest at Azad Maidan against the BJP government after former Goa Governor Satyapal Malik exposed corruption in Goa as all-pervading. He cited that there is an area near the airport from where trucks were used for mining pass. I asked the government to stop them in view of COVID. The government didn't, and then it became a hotspot for COVID. Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik also said he had dissuaded the government from constructing a new Raj Bhavan when Goa was under incredible financial duress.
आता काल त्याने सत्यपालान गव्हर्नरान स्ट्रेट सांगले की करप्शन खंयच ना, फक्त कोविडा टायमार सोड, नॉट इन वन डिपार्टमेंट, सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटात खंय करप्शन आसा, सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटात करप्शन वॉज गोईंग ऑन, एंड ही इज टोल्ड दिस ओपनली ऑन द मीडिया, ओपनली. द गव्हर्नर इज टेलिंग दिस, द हायेस्ट ऑथॉरिटी इज टेलिंग दिस. आणि कितें उरना बा प्रमोद सावंत, तुवें एक रिजायन करपाकूच जाय. मॉरल ड्युटी तुजी, मॉरल रायट तो, मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घे आनी खुर्चेवेल्यान देव. आनी तुजे बरोबर तेय दुसरे आसा पळय फटींग चोर, ते मिनिस्टर, तांकांय घेवन रिजायन कर. आमची तुमकां एकच सांगपाचें लोकांक की लोकांनू तुमी पळयात, आयज गोंयकारांनी पळोवपाचो टायम आयिल्लो आसा. दोळे उक्ते करात. आमचे लिडरांनी म्हणू ना, आनी कोणें म्हणू ना, तांच्याच ओन गव्हर्नरान आयज मुडिल्ले आसा आनी सीद केल्ले आसा की करप्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस म्हणून.
श्री सत्यपाल माडिक हाणें सांगलें, चार्ज केलो, एलिगेशन मिनी चार्ज की प्रमोद सावंत ताजे वांगडी मंत्री सारके भ्रष्टाचारान बुडिल्ले आसा. काल तुमी पत्रकार भाव सगळे जमल्या, ताका तेन्ना तुमी जाप विचारपाक गेले, ताणें कितें केलें, पळ काडली थंयच्यान. ताका कापास्तार ना तुमकां प्रश्नाची उत्तर दिवपाक. कितलो वेळ म्हूण धांवतलो तो, खंय खंय म्हूण धांवतलो. ताका गोंयच्या जनतेक जाप दिवकूच जाय.
ना जाल्यार डेमोक्रेसी उरली खंय. पिसफूल प्रोटेस्टाचेर लाठीचार्ज करपाची धमकी दिवप, बायलांक धुकलप आनी तांकां अरेस्ट करून व्हरप, कायदो उरूना गोंयान. कायदा सुवेवस्था तर बिगडल्या. खूब म्हयने जाले तुमी पळयता गोंयान कितें चल्लां तें. पूण ज्या तरेन आज पुलिसांचो जो बिहेवियर आशिल्लो, ज्या तरेन आज तांकां इंस्ट्रक्शन आसल्या शिवाय कांय जायना. एक गोश्ट विचारिल्ली की आमकां सीएमा मेळपा दिया, तेन्ना कित्याक दिना हो प्रश्न आसा. ते म्हणजे आवाज जो लोकांचो आसा पळय तो खंय तरी चेपपाचो प्रयत्न चल्लो आसा. आनी तो आवाज जर लोकांचो असो प्रयत्न करत रावत सरकार चेपपाचो, जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता की लोक दाखयतले रस्तो खंयच्यान दाखोवपाचो आसा तो. आज जे हांगा लोक जमिल्ले पळय काना कोपऱ्यांतल्यान गोंयच्या प्रत्येक सांग, नेत्रावळी, काणकोण, पत्रादेवी आसूं नाल्यार खंयचे आसूं, प्रत्येक जाण हांगा आशिल्लो. कित्याक आयिल्लो? फक्त एकाच पोट तिडकीन की आयज गोंयचें नांव पिड्ड्यार जालां. गोंयाच्या तोंडार जे काळेफ आसला की गोंयचो सीएम इज करप्ट, गोवा इज अ करप्ट स्टेट. इट इज व्हेरी सॅड स्टेट ऑफ अफेर्स.
In a bare all explosive television interview, the current governor of Meghalaya, Satyapal Malik, hit out at Goa Chief Minister for rank corruption and chastising his one BJP on many issues. Commenting on COVID handling, he said, Goa government's door-to-door distribution of ration during COVID was done at the insistence of a company that paid money. I probed the matter and informed the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister asked the same people who were behind the plan about the allegation. It's obvious that those involved will not accept what they did. In the end, I was removed and the CM was retained, Malik said in the interview. BJP State Chief Sidanand Tanaware called this incorrect and said that he will write to center about the same.
आता त्याच्या सारकिल्या सिनियर मनशान अशें उलोवप हेचेर आतां हांवें तुका कितें म्हण उत्तर दिवपाचें, कारण त्याचो हे सायड इज अ कंटिन्यू प्रोसेस. गव्हर्नर आसा ते, आनी त्यामुळे त्याच्या हाचेर हांवें प्रतिक्रिया दिवप म्हाका दिसता तें म्हाकाय खबर ना कित पर्यंत बसता भितर तें, कारण त्यामुळे हांव तेचेर कांय उलयना. हांव कशें मानना,
पूण तुमच्या सरकाराचेर केले न्ही आरोप.
तेणी अत्यंत चुकीचो आरोप केला तशें हांव म्हणटा. कोणाक सांगलें न्हू तो जें उलयता तें चुकीचें उलयता.
पूण हेचो एक वेगळी मेसेज लोकां मदीं वयची
म्हणून हांवें सांगलें
तुम्ही पक्ष नेतृत्वाकडे
हांवें म्हटलें तो उलयता तें चुकीचें उलयता.
तुम्ही पक्ष नेतृत्वाकडे हा विषय मांडणार का?
डेफिनेटली उलयता.
कित्याक इलेक्शन टायमार अशें उलोवप
डेफिनेटली उलयता.
केंद्राकडे तुम्ही उलयता.
आनी सद्या एचए आनी सीएमा मदीं जे कितें
कांयच ना वाद, अत्यंत चुकीचें आसा, कांयच वाद ना. एखादें डिस्कशन आसलें ताका वाद आमी अशें समजना. एखाद्या फॅमिली भितर डेफिनेटली डिस्कशन ही आसताच, आणि प्रत्येकाक आपली बाजू उलोवपाचो पूर्ण अधिकार असता त्यामुळे तातूंत कितें तरी डिस्प्यूट आसा अशें अजिबात ना.
एकदा झालं तर समजा
फायली बी आपली अशें आयकूं येता भायर.
ना हांव थंय त्या कॅबिनेटाच्या मिटिंगेक हांव नासलो.
मेघालयचे राज्यपाल सत्यपाल मलिक जी आसात तांच्यांनी कितें उलयलां हांवें वाचलां पेपरार पण म्हाका ताजेर कांयच कॉमेंट करपाचें ना आनी तसो ते एक व्हडली कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ऑथॉरिटी आसा आनी हांवूय एक कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ऑथॉरिटी आसा राज्यपाल पदाचेर आसल्या कारणान त्यामुळे तांणी जें हें केलां ताजेर हांव कांयच कॉमेंट उलयना.
सर खंय तरी सदानंद शेट तानावडेन तांच्यांनी सांगलां की दे वील कंप्लेन टू द प्रायम मिनिस्टर अबाउट द गव्हर्नर. इज इट
खबर ना म्हाका हांवें पेपरान वाचलां तांच्यांनी कितें आसा तें प्रत्येक पार्टी म्हणून तांकां कितें दिसता किंवा सरकार म्हणून कितें दिसता किंवा अन्य बाकीचे पक्ष म्हणून कितें दिसता तांकां ते कितें कितें करीत रावतले.
साहेब तुमी इतले वर्सां हांगा गोंयांत आशिल्ले तुमकां दिसता खंय तरी करप्शन जातालें म्हूण गोंयांत?
ना हांव ताजेर कांयच उलयना कांयच उलयना.
सर ते योग्य असलें तांच्यांनी कितें उलयलें
हांव ताजेर कांयच खरें.
The BJP has taken strong exception to the caricature circulated a few days ago depicting a foot crushing the Prime Minister, Home Minister, and Goa Chief Minister under the foot. TMC has distanced itself from the said caricature, which has been subsequently retracted. The BJP state president Sadadan Tanawade, speaking on the issue, said TMC leaders should apologize for this. Failing to which the BJP will hold a protest during West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's visit to Goa.
आमचे होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाहजी आणि आमचे गोंयचे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत यांचो कार्टून काढून ज्या पद्दतीन तांच्यांनी केलें पांयार दवरलो ट्वीट केलें ही जर पळयली जाल्यार खरें रूप जें आसा तेणी बंगालान आपण कितें करता तेची एक ट्रेलर तांच्यांनी गोंयकारांक दाखयल्ली आसा. पण गोंय आनी बंगाल एक न्हय आनी ताका लागून तांच्यांनी ज्या पद्दतीन केल्लें आसा ताचो निशेध म्हणून आमचे कार्यकर्ते वेगवेगळ्या भागा भितर तेंच्यांनी कृत्य पांयां दवरपाचें केलें तें जावचें ना. पण वेगवेगळ्या भागा भितर प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीन जर कोणाचे बॅनर आसत जाल्यार ते सगळे वयतले.
बॅनर्जींचा कार्यक्रम उधळून लावणार.
आतां कशें आसा पळय कोणें कितें उलयलो तेचेर हांव प्रतिक्रिया दिना. हांवें तुका सांगलें तेचेर हांव उलयलो तुमी नाही हांवें तेणें जर सांगलें आसत जाल्यार डेफिनेटली करपाक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता. निशेध म्हणून सगळे कडेन करतले.
दुसरो एक विशय म्हणजे पेट्रोलाची ब्रीड आहा ती 105 जाल्या गोंयांत कशें पळयता तुमी एक गरिबां खातीर व्हडलो एक फटको हो.
कशें आसा तो विशय आसा तो केवळ गोंयचो असो म्हणना पण त्या संदर्भांतलें बेगीनच्या बेगीन योग्य निर्णय म्हाका दिसता कितें तरी सरकार करतलो अशें म्हाका दिसता.
पर्रीकर सीएम असताना त्यांनी व्हॅट कमी करून दर कमी केले होते. गोव्यातही करू शकता तुम्ही मला सांगलं.
ना ते पळय ह्या संदर्भात हांव उलोवप हें बरोबर जावचें ना कारण हांव काही फायनान्स मिनिस्टरय न्ही आनी हांव मंत्री ना. त्यामुळे तो प्रश्न आसा पळय तो मुख्यमंत्री हांव तुमी म्हटलां तें हांव जाय जाल्यार मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगता आमच्या पत्रकारांचो असो विशय आसलो पण हांव उलयता तेचे कडेन. हांव काय करपाक शकना. हांव डेफिनेटली सांगपाक शकता.
I also don't agree the statements made by our Prime Minister that time, Didi and all that fun.
Didi, oh Didi.
See, we have to maintain certain decorum, norms and dignity in our behavior.
The TMC leaders have declared that people are feeling rattled with TMC coming to Goa, and TMC posters and those of TMC chairperson Mamata Banerjee are being defaced. Professor Saugata Roy said defacing of hoardings is most unfortunate and caused a heartburn in Bengal since Mamata is considered a demigoddess.
Number of telephone calls ever since it was revealed that Mamata Banerjee's pictures in the hoardings are being blackened and defaced. It just mentions Mamata Banerjee's poster, Goinchi Navi Sakal. That's all new dawn for Goa without criticizing anybody. But that is being defaced. It has caused tremendous reaction among people in West Bengal because Mamata Banerjee is a demigoddess and most popular leader this is most unfortunate, especially on the eve of our coming to Goa, that this is being done. Well, as Mr. Falero has explained, ultimately these hoardings are rented out spaces. They will be replaced by the contractor. But on the way from our hotel to the city, we saw this. We have mentioned this today.
See, we are living in a parliamentary democracy, and in this parliamentary democracy, the TMC has got a right to go before the people and promise a good governance, inclusive model of administration to the people of Goa to secure a mandate, which we have been doing. Now, when Amit Shah, Union Home Minister, came to Goa, they removed all TMC flags and put BJP flags. Yesterday, we had a charge sheet release function against the government at Azad Maidan, at which time the deputy collector refused to give us the mic permission. Today, you go all over the state and they have defaced our hoardings and banners. This is not what democracy is all about. BJP is exposing itself to be extremely intolerant. You see, BJP stands exposed completely on all fronts. Satyapal Malik, who's the ex-governor of Goa and who is presently the governor of Meghalaya, has made a statement yesterday saying that in his tenure as the governor of Goa, he found the government to be corrupt. What better certificate could the BJP government in Goa get from its own governor? Because he was a BJP appointee and the government is here as a BJP. So basically the BJP government stands exposed on all fronts. Poor administration, corruption, no will to give good to the people of Goa, and it is exposed as being most intolerant.
Wainguni locals have fiercely objected to the permission given by the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority to the Star Hotel to restore an old mini deck and pathway, enabling it to start water sports activities at the beach. They said that a hotel cannot be allowed to construct such structures on a public beach. The nod for the new structures was given while a dispute is still ongoing between the locals and the Star Hotel over construction of an alleged illegal wall on the public beach at Wainguni.
As most people must be aware, on our Wainguni beach, the neighborhood hotel built a wall earlier this year, after which the GCZMA issued a show cause notice in the end of April. After months of inspections and trying to see what happened on the beach, the GCZMA has withdrawn the show cause notice. Now, after finding out that they've withdrawn the show cause notice, the latest permission issued to this hotel is for repair work to a mini deck, a walkway and floating pontoons on the beach. We as the local residents are absolutely appalled by this decision of the GCZMA, and we want a proper investigation done into the GCZMA as well as the WRD to see how are these permissions being granted. Even after the show cause notice was withdrawn, 3 out of the 4 experts have asked to be disassociated, and one of those 3 have also written objections. How is the GCZMA and WRD giving these permissions? There is no local permissions taken. This is going to lead to the destruction of the beach and the local ecosystem. We are extremely worried and we hope the authorities take appropriate action. We are really fed up and irritated about is that first they built a wall. They said that they were repairing a wall, but they built a brand new wall on the beach when they took repair permission and violated all the conditions of that permission. Now after building that wall, now they further want to build a mini deck for their water sports. They want to build a walkway, they want to put floating pontoons. When will it stop? What is this hotel trying to achieve by doing all of this? We as the local residents do not know what they are trying to achieve. Are they trying to privatize the beach? Are they trying to spoil the beach? At the end of the day, the tourists as well as the locals enjoy the beach. They should use natural material to help protect the beach. I'm sure the experts in the matter can guide them instead of doing all this haphazard destruction of the beach.
The Mormugao Municipal Council has decided to solve the ongoing Vasco fish market issue by verifying the identity of fish vendors. MMC has begun checking the identity cards of the fish vendors who do business at the local market. MMC had recently collected the Aadhaar cards and photographs of all fish vendors at the Vasco fish market, after which the vendors were given ID cards.
सर आयज म्हाका येवन हांगा मार्केटान येवन फीश वेंडर्स जे आहा तेंचे आधार कार्ड आनी ते फोटोज कितें डॉक्युमेंट्स लागता ते घे सांगलेले फोटोग्राफ्स आनी व्हिडियो कित्याक तर तांकां आमी ID कार्ड आनी वेंडर्स कार्ड प्रोवायड करपाक जाय म्हणून सो ताका लागून आमी सकाळी हांगा येवन विथ मार्केट इन्स्पेक्टर आमी येवन हांगा सगळे सर्वे केले आनी तेंची नांवां कलेक्ट केली.
एज अ पार्ट ऑफ न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ फिश मार्केट आमच्या नुस्तेकारांक भयणीक भावांक लागून आमी एक ड्रायव्ह घेतला. त्याच्या भितर जी नुस्तेकारां बसतात तांकां आयडेंटिटी कार्ड दिवपाचें. ताका लागून आमच्या आयज स्टाफ EMI आनी एक स्टाफ घेवन आमी तांकां भितर धाडलेले आनी तांकां बेगींतल्या बेगीन फोटो आनी आधार कार्ड दिवपाक लागून सांगला.
दोन होट घे सांगले, आधार कार्ड घे सांगला आनी तेंचे नांव घे सांगला आनी आमकां कामरान दी सांगला. सगळ्यांचे केळेकारांचे, भाजयेकारांचे आनी आमचे नुस्तेकारांचे, नाल्लाकारांचे सगळ्यांचे. आनी हो ती आपूण घेताय म्हण सांगला. संडासा कोच्चे आनी ते आपूण घेताय सांगले बरें म्हण सांगला.
And now we end this bulletin with the cartoon of the day image. Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching HCN News. For more news and alerts, please do follow us on O Heraldo at Facebook and Twitter. Until then, goodbye and take care.